In my opinion, guys, it's the most fun. Oh, it's the most fun you can have in fresh water. Had said that I was going to rig a light up for catfishing at night, and I think I've got it rigged up. Still working out the kinks on it. It was pretty easy to put together. Justin from Kayak Catfish has a deal on his YouTube channel on how to put a light together for filming at night, and I just followed the instructions on that. It seems to be working pretty good though. It's pretty bright, but it works pretty well, looks like, and it's pretty easy to adjust. So say like I want it out all the way, right there, stick it where I want it, and you have light, you know what I mean, for filming or whatever else. Just look at that sunrise. Wow. I don't know if you guys can see me or not. It's pretty chilly this morning. They have not bit yet at all. I think I had one little tap earlier, so we'll see. Never can tell out here. When it came over the hump, guys. Oh yeah, feels like a pretty decent fish. We'll see. Nah, he's not a monster. Yeah. I can barely reach my hands around him. He's just almost too big to handle like this. Hang on. He's ornery. That's a nice fat one, man. That's exactly what we come out here for. Alright, buddy. Get back in there. God, that one nailed it. Feels like a pretty good fish, guys. Oh man, feels like a good one. He is pulling drag now. Back this drag down a little, man. That is a big fish, feels like. Oh, he's spinning the kayak. Bring this sucker in too green here. This is a good one, guys. I hadn't even seen it yet. This is a good one. I'm gonna get him upside the kayak here while he's too green. Oh yeah, big old blue. Yeah, baby. Oh God, this thing is pulling now. He is mad. All right, let me see. Oh man, what a freaky catfish. Alright, let me get you in here. Oh, Mustad freaking does it again, guys. Oh, look at that freaking blue cat. Oh, what a freaking morning time beauty right there, man. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous fish. Let's turn her loose. What do you say? Okay, you're gonna have to let go of it. Woo! He was mad. Guys, that never gets old. Ever. I could do that every day. Okay guys, the line is letting out right now on my rods after that big fish. A lot of y'all want to know what I'm seeing on my graph, what I'm seeing. So I'm going to try to show at a couple of different spots exactly what I'm seeing. Just hooked that really big fish in some deeper water. So I'm targeting some deeper areas. It seems like they're not up super shallow right now. You just have to kind of to move around to look. But if I can show you on the graph right here, this is what I got going on right now. Okay, we got 50 degree water, 50 and a half. You can see right there. And we are moving along at, we're just barely moving, guys. I mean, when I say barely, I mean barely. You can see 0.1 knots right there. And you can see some fish sitting on the bottom right there. You'll see them streak up here in a second. Okay, there he goes. Oh, he missed it. But there you go. That was a big bait too, guys. A big bait. That dot is me. This is where it starts getting shallow. And we're just tracking along here in about 22 foot of water right now. Fish on, guys. I was just talking to you, and that's that one that was biting it. As we... Alright, let's see. I don't think it's a very big fish, but we'll get him up here and have a look. See if I can keep my other line. Oh, that's a nice blue. Alright, let me set this down. That is a nice blue, guys. That was awesome. So we got to see the actual takedown on that one. A lot of times I don't have enough battery to show you the takedown and stuff like that because I'm just trying to save battery out here, keep the cameras from overheating and stuff. But you actually get to see it on that one. They jerked the crap out of it. So this one kind of, he hit it and then he ended up coming back for it. So it worked out pretty good. So there he is, guys. Nice big fat blue cat. Let's get another one. Here you go. Come on, get out of my deal there. There you go. Back down. There he goes. That was awesome. Let's get another one. We got them figured out now so I can show you guys some stuff. Got a good fish, guys. Multitasking these kayaks, man. That's just all there is to it. Oh man, this feels like a good fish, guys. Oh yeah. Man, he fought better than what he was. I mean, he's a good one. Whew. Man, he's a fighter. I sure thought you were bigger. When we were drifting across the hump. Alright, here we go. Another nice blue cat, man. I will take ones like that all day long. That is just too much fun. Alright, Mr. Blue Cat. You can get ones like that, man. That's a good size. I mean, that's just a fighter. Just let him go and go catch a big one. Tell him we want his big brother. Let's watch him here. Here he goes. Goodbye, buddy. Thanks for the fight. Feels like a good fish, guys. Man, he knocked the fire out of it when we were coming across here. I'm gonna keep him out of the other line. I don't know if that's possible or not, though. I think he's probably in it already. I got the drift sock up. You gotta kind of watch that. They will wrap that thing, and then you will have a mess. Oh, that's a nice one. He just came up out there. Man, that wind is something else today. Oh, God, man, he nailed it. Oh, yeah, another fatty, guys. Oh, man. Hello, Mr. Bluecat. Hold on. Trying to wrap up my paddle. Another solid Bluecat, guys. We will take ones like this one all day long. Those never get old, man. He jerked the fire out of the rod. It's a solid fish. That's awesome. There he goes. He went straight down. That was cool. Alright, get everything lined out here and set up for another drift. Got one right before we picked up to go back out. Man, those jets are loud. Pull the front end of the motor out. I'll do some paddling while we're looking at this fish. That's a nice Bluecat. There you go, buddy. Found one. There we go. He ain't big, he's a little one of the day. But it's a fish. Man, they're all so fat. Whew. Nice fat one, guys, in the wind. Pretty colors on the thing. Alright guys, I got time for one more drift. We'll see what happens, and then I gotta get out of here, man. The wind's blowing pretty hard. Man guys, the wind has kicked up. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. We couldn't get one on that drift. So it's alright. It's an excellent freaking day Bluecat fishing, man. In my opinion, guys, it's the most fun. It's the most fun you can have in fresh water, for sure. If you like something that pulls hard, this is it, man. Get you some Bluecats. Killer B out.